Some breaking news now coming in from Varanasi, where a video survey was being done of the Gyanvapi Mosque. There were claims that a Shivling was found in a pond, and now the Banaras court has ordered the DM to seal that pond area where the Shivling has allegedly been discovered. Now, remember, the court had mandated a 3-day videography of the Gyanvapi Masjid complex in Varanasi, and that has now ended. Let's go across to NDTV, Saurabh Shukla, for more on this story. Saurabh, give us the latest now. This pond where this Shivling was allegedly found, the court has ordered it to be sealed.
Absolutely, Gargi. Lawyer from the Hindu side, he moved a petition in court around 11 in the morning, saying that during the survey today, the last day of survey, they have discovered a Shivling in the pond which is situated inside the mosque, Gyanvapi Mosque premises, and he requested court to order to seize that pond because that Shivling is visible, and they also said that they also requested court not to allow anyone to use that pond for purification ritual, which is called Wazu by the Muslims, and the court has ordered, accepted the request, accepted the petition, accepted the prayer, and court has directed DM Varanasi to seal that complex, seal that pond complex of the mosque till the further orders. So this is the breaking news coming from Banaras. In fact, today was the last day of survey, Gargi, of Gyanvapi Mosque. Advocate Commissioner Ajay Mishra was there along with Vishal Singh, who is also assisting Ajay Mishra in this whole case. Lawyers from both the sides were also there. Apart from the lawyers, the petitioners were there. People from Muslim side were also there. And today, Advocate Commissioner wanted to film the pond area, so water was drained from that pond because the water was there. Water was drained, and after draining the water, that is the claim of Hindu Paksha. That is the claim of Hindu side, Gargi. That after draining the water, they saw a Shivling inside the. They've discovered a Shivling inside the pond, and then they later moved a petition in the court, Banaras court, to seal that area and to allow further investigation, to allow further survey. So tomorrow, the Advocate Commissioner will submit the report in Banaras court, sealed report. But before that, the content is out. The petition was moved to seal the pond, which has been granted by Banaras court. Banaras court has directed DM Varanasi to seal that pond premises where allegedly Shivlanga has been discovered today during the survey. Gargi.
Right. So interesting. It will be taken up tomorrow, Saurabh. In the meanwhile, the Supreme Court is also going to take up a petition regarding this because, the group, the Gyanvapi, the lawyer representing the Gyanvapi Mosque organization, they have contested this, saying that there should be no videography having been allowed, that this violates the 1991 Places of Worship Act. So the Supreme Court is also going to be hearing this tomorrow.
Absolutely, Gargi. In fact, the Supreme Court accepted that petition on Friday, but the Supreme Court had said that they need to see the documents. So that survey was allowed, and tomorrow Supreme Court is going to hear that. In fact, Justice Chandrachud will hear this petition that has been listed in front of him. But before that, the main issue is that content is out. So the content is out, and clearly it is contempt of the court as well. In fact, in the order, Banaras court clearly said that whatever the findings are, it will be submitted to the court in the seal bund packet, in the seal bund, in a seal closed pack. But the lawyers from Hindu side, the petitioner from Hindu side, they came out and saying that Baba Mil Gaye, they have found a Shivlinga inside the mosque premises in the pond, and later they moved a petition in Banaras court asking and requesting to seal the pond premises, which has been granted. So DM Banaras will seal that pond premises inside the Gyanvapi Mosque, where allegedly Shivlinga has been discovered. Gargi.
All right, Saurabh, and if we talk about this entire case, it started after a handful of women approached the court. They want permission to offer prayers on one side of the mosque where there are idols there. That is what began this entire matter, which has now led to videography of the mosque.
Yes, there are 5 ladies, primarily Rakhi Singh. They moved a petition last year saying that they want to worship Shingar Gauri, which they according to them, Shingar Gauri, the main idol of Shingar Gauri is inside the mosque complex. That is why they should be allowed. That was the petition. That was the prayer, which was granted. But later, Ajay Mishra was appointed the advocate commissioner. But later, Muslim side said that Ajay Mishra has been biased. And again, court heard the matter, ordered that there will be 2 more advocate commissioners along with Ajay Mishra, and they have to submit the report by 17th. They started this survey on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days, 14th, 15th and 16th. They conducted this survey into the 3 domes, and according to the advocate commissioner, the sources, they've also surveyed the pond area, the west side of mosque, the temple side of mosque, and there are 4 chambers also, the part of basement also they have surveyed. So that is the main that is the main survey area. So they have completed the survey, they have completed the videography, but according to my sources, Gargi, tomorrow in the court, the advocate commissioner may seek more time to submit the report because they have to compile the report, which they think that it is not possible in this short time because they have just completed this survey around 11:30. So this is the latest from Banaras, Gargi.
All right, Saurabh, we will come back to you in a moment. Let's just listen into what the DM had said earlier. Now, as Saurabh was telling us, the lawyer for the Hindu side claimed that a Shivling was found. However, earlier at least, the DM, Kaushal Raj, did not confirm this. He said that the court is the custodian of the information about the survey. However, on an appeal by the Hindu side, now the court has ordered that the pond area be sealed.
कोर्ट कमिश्नर के द्वारा सभी पक्षकारों को निर्देश दिए गए थे कि रिपोर्ट कोर्ट में 17 मई को पेश होगी और तब तक कोई ये डिस्क्लोज ना करे कि अंदर क्या मिला है। लेकिन किसी ने अपनी निजी इच्छा से कुछ बताने की कोशिश की है तो कोई भी उसकी जो पुख्ता उसकी जो प्रामाणिकता वो किसी के द्वारा भी प्रूव नहीं की जा सकती। कोर्ट और सिर्फ कोर्ट इस सूचना का कस्टोडियन है। अगर किसी भी पक्ष ने आपको ये बात बताई है तो ये उनकी निजी विचार है। कल किसी एक टीम मेंबर को बाहर करने की जानकारी हुई थी और करीब 15-20 मिनट उनको बाहर रखा गया था। उसके बाद कोर्ट कमीशन ने दोबारा उनको कार्रवाई का पार्ट बनने के लिए अलाउ कर दिया गया था और ये परसों के आधार पे हुआ था कि परसों उन्होंने काफी ऐसी जानकारी लोगों को दी जो कि कोर्ट की कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी क्लॉज के बाहर थी। इसलिए कल 15-20 मिनट के लिए उनको डिबार किया गया था। दोबारा से उनको कोर्ट कमीशन में शामिल किया गया।